How to view or check your recently watched videos on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps and how you can see your recently watched videos on YouTube. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let's guide you through this video. In order to see or view your recently watched videos on YouTube, simply go ahead and first open up YouTube. So once you have opened up YouTube, you can tap on the view option or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you can see the history option right away. Now once you tap on history, simply tap on view all and you'll be able to view all your history here. Now if you are unable to view any history, then it might be that you have paused your YouTube history. So in that case, you might want to unpause it so that you'll be able to view your history on YouTube. This is how you can easily see or view your YouTube history on YouTube. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.